Welcome to the fourth episode of Sci-Five. I'm Chris shea-kurek, your host. On Sci-Five, we discuss 5 technological and scientific innovations of this week. This week, we'll be talking about moving cells with sound, keeping concrete warm with electricity, and more advancements in the field of artificial intelligence. Researchers at Penn State University have created what they call a 3-dimensional acoustic tweezer. They can move single cells in 3 dimensions using sound without touching or deforming the cells. In order to do so, they use bioprinting to recreate materials and to reconnect severed cell-to-cell communications. They can also move specific particles anywhere they wish. This new technology can place cells or particles within 1 micrometer of accuracy horizontally and 2 micrometers vertically. It can also help rebuild old organs and create new types of life forms. Researchers at the University of Tokyo's Graduate School of Engineering have developed a new type of pressure sensor that is thin and resistant enough to be made into a glove. This thin, metallic sensor is only about 8 micrometers thin, or 1/5 the thickness of a human hair. They can measure pressure on up to 144 places at once, and just by touching something could detect a tumor. It could also be used in virtual reality technology, and these sensors could allow robots to gain a sense of touch near equivalent of human level. Similar to the idea of solar roads, far more efficient research at Peter Kiewit Research Institute believe that they have found a much more economical solution to clearing snow off of roadways. Traditional methods use chemically enriched salts to raise the melting point of surrounding snow. This method, however, is very wasteful and expensive, as well as killing plants in the surrounding areas. This new idea uses 80% concrete with some metal filings to allow it to conduct electricity. While remaining safe to touch and walk on, the slightly heated concrete stays above 32 degrees, and in the long term is far more effective than salting roads. The research unit under the Google umbrella called DeepMind have made a large breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence. This benchmarking machine learning is nearly as significant as Deep Blue's victory against the world champion chess player. Unlike chess, the game Go has been very difficult for computers to master until now. The new system, named AlphaGo, won approximately 99.8% of its matches within a series of 500 matches. Much like humans, AlphaGo undertook thousands of games to gradually improve through trial and error in its process to develop new strategies and techniques for the game. Its victories against its creator are not the end of the road, however, as it will be going up against the champion of Go, Lee Sedol, in March of this year. First thought to be a rogue planet, Mass 2 J2126-140 has been found to be the most distant planet from its home star. The planet itself is about 12 to 15 times the size of Jupiter, at a distance of 621 billion miles away from its red dwarf pair. It is the largest solar system discovered to date. To put that in comparison, that's 6,900 astronomical units away from its sun, 40 times wider distance rotation than Pluto around our planet. Scientists say that this could influence our decision in how big our solar system is in comparison, like Planet 9, which has been theorized around this week as well. That's all for now. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next time on Sci-Five.